back to Geetu's healthy cooking series. Today I'm going to prepare a vegan curry for you all, which is going to be rich in protein, exceptionally rich in iron, folate and vitamin B6 and magnesium. Now I'm talking about chickpeas or the garbanzo beans, which are an excellent gluten-free protein-rich source. So we're going to prepare this Asian curry but in a very healthy way and nutritious way using very little oil. Okay, so let's see the ingredients first. I have taken chickpeas or the garbanzo beans, just 1 cup. Soak it overnight in water so that they can get a little softer and it will be easy to cook them. I have 1 teaspoonful of cumin seeds. I have 2 bay leaves. I have 1 full heaped teaspoon of dry mango powder. There is 1 full teaspoonful of garam masala or mixed spices. You can get this at any Asian grocery store. Then I also have 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. You may vary the quantity of the chilli powder if you feel it is too hot for you. I have just 1 teaspoon of unrefined cold pressed organic sesame seed oil. Now sesame seed oil is very rich in omega-3 fatty acids. So I have used sesame oil instead of any other oil. Then pink Himalayan salt you can use as per your taste. I also have 1 heaped tablespoonful of ginger, garlic and green chili paste. I have already pureed 2 onions and 2 tomatoes together. And I'm also going to use flaxseed oil as a dressing later on. So first we have to pressure cook. I have the pressure cooker. I'm just going to pour the chickpeas which are soaked overnight in water. Now try to take at least 5 to 6 cups of water because they will need a good quantity of water to be pressure cooked in the pressure cooker. So if you have taken 1 cup of chickpeas, then at least 5 to 6 cups of water are very essential. I am going to put the puree, the tomato and the onion puree along with the chickpeas in the pressure cooker. Then I will be adding the bay leaves, the garam masala, I'm going to add the red chili powder, and just give it a good mix. Let's take the whole tomato and onion puree out. Nicely scrape it out. And we stir this well, and I'm just going to close the lid, and once it starts boiling there'll be a whistle, there'll be a sound of a whistle, and after the whistle you have to cook it for 25 minutes. Now we have put the chickpeas away into the pressure cooker to be cooked. In the meanwhile, I am going to dry roast in another pan the cumin seeds. I have taken 1 full teaspoon of cumin seeds. I'm just going to dry roast them without any oil in the pan. Now this may take at least 3 to 4 minutes, so it would be advisable to get the pan a little hot before you start roasting your cumin seeds. So just try to keep stirring them and they don't stick to the bottom of the pan, and keep cooking them, and within 3-4 minutes you will see the color changes, they become a little darker and there will be a slight aroma that indicates the cumin seeds are ready to be taken off the hob. So you can see the cumin seeds have become darker in color. I'm just going to take this off the hob and I'm going to allow them to cool for 2 or 3 minutes and then just grind it to a powder. Okay. So I have powdered the cumin seeds which I had roasted dry, and this is what we have. So we are just going to leave this aside And in the meanwhile, I've still kept the pan hot. I'm going to pour the sesame seed oil in it, and we are going to saute our ginger, garlic and chili paste. So I'm just adding the sesame seed oil, just a small teaspoon. And now I'm going to saute the garlic, ginger, chili paste. I'm just going to cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so now in 4 minutes we have our garlic, ginger, chili paste which is ready. Now in this I am going to add the dry roasted cumin seed powder, and then I'm also going to add the dry mango powder. I'm going to give it a nice stir. This is going to be a little dry, so just be careful that it doesn't stick to the bottom of your pan. So just keep moving your ladle right through the bottom and switch off the hob and just place it on a cool surface and wait for the chickpeas to be cooked. Once they are cooked, we are going to mix this paste into the cooked chickpeas. Okay, so now it's been 25 to 30 minutes almost, and our chickpeas are ready. So let's just have a good look. We can see they're all nice and soft, and the curry, the color also looks beautiful. Now I'm going to mix the paste of garlic, chili and ginger, and plus we had added the dry roasted cumin seed powder and the dry mango powder. So I'm just going to pour all that mixture into our cooked chickpeas. Once you do that, just give it a nice stir, and you will now again see the color changing to even darker. Slowly the color will get even darker. And now we're going to add the pink Himalayan salt. Use as much as you need. Obviously you're not going to overdo it, but some people prefer a little less, so it is always good to use less salt, even though it is a healthy pink Himalayan salt. I'm just going to add a teaspoon. Now this we are going to allow it to cool well, and then I'm just going to mix a tablespoon of the flaxseed oil or the linseed oil. Now you may think again I've added too much oil, but if you actually see, the flaxseed oil is only going to add the omega-3 fatty acids as a healthy nutrient to this protein-rich vegan chickpea curry. So that is the only reason for me to add the flaxseed oil. It will be a complete nutritious curry for each one of you to savor. So friends, you've seen how nice and easy this recipe is, and it contains only 1 teaspoon of sesame seed oil, which was unrefined and cold pressed, and it was an organic sesame seed oil which also contains lots of omega-3 fatty acids. And omega-3 fatty acids, as I had already said, it is very good for your brain and for your heart health. Now in garbanzo beans, there is a lot of protein that you can get from a cup of garbanzo beans. You can get at least 14.5 grams of protein. That is quite a good amount for considering for the people who prefer a vegan diet. And it also contains fiber, dietary fiber. Now the dietary fiber present in this chickpeas has an insoluble fiber component. Now this insoluble fiber passes undigested right up to the end of your colon, where through the action of the friendly bacteria in your gut, it is converted into short chain fatty acids. Now these short chain fatty acids are nutrients which can protect the inner lining of your intestines and it can protect your colon area from inflammation and even from colon cancer. And this chickpea curry can be enjoyed with flatbread, or you can add it to your patties, or you can also enjoy it with rice, long grain brown rice. Now, if you allow this curry to cool down to a room temperature, you can then add your flaxseed oil. Since it is quite hot, I do not want to add the linseed or flaxseed oil to add to the omega-3 fatty acid content of your recipe. And plus, flaxseed oil is also oxygenating, highly oxygenating for your cells of the body, and it is good for the intestinal health. So guys, please enjoy this recipe. Hope you like it. If you like this recipe, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and keep watching for some more exciting recipes. Thank you.